Hey there everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to display your FPS in Apex Legends so you can monitor your game's performance. As you can see, in the top right of my screen, I can see my FPS, my ping, and my packet loss. What you have to do is launch Apex and go to Settings. Once you're here, go to the gameplay, and then scroll down. What you have to find is Performance Display. Now turn this on and click Escape. Another option is using Steam Overlay if you're playing on Steam. Open Steam, go to Settings, and scroll down till you find In-Game. Click that, and scroll down till you find Overlay Performance Monitor. What you have to do next is click here and select a location you prefer where your performance is shown. After turning it on, join a match and check the corner of your screen. You should now see your FPS in real time. And that's it. That is how you show FPS in Apex Legends.